Hey actors, it's Gordon, and today I just wanted to drop a little nugget of wisdom on you actors out there. When you tell people that you're an actor, what's the typical response? I mean, it's usually like, oh, well, what have you been in? Maybe it's not it, it's with no malice, but it always feels like we're being uh, checked for validity. You know, how authentically are you an actor? Yeah, have you been in anything? Like, are you really an actor? I don't know if it's done with malice. I'm sure at least sometimes it is. Here's the wisdom that I'm going to give you. Do not let other people's perception of a real actor mar your view of yourself. If you think you're an actor, let that be. Speak it with confidence. Own it. You are an actor. And don't let someone take that away from you. Every single famous actor today had to start from a position of not being famous, not having the credentials to show people like, oh, look at these movies I've been in. No. We all of us start from a very humble position of really having nothing to show for it except what we can do. And I want you to take that confidence everywhere you go. Now, don't let it grow into an ego. Let it be a quiet confidence. I was listening to Bryan Cranston talk, and he was saying the best advice I can give is, as an actor, you want to have a quiet confidence. Don't walk around talking about how great you are. But if someone asks you, "Oh, you're an actor? Are you any good?" Yeah, say yeah. Like, you shouldn't be an actor if you don't think you're any good. And that doesn't mean that you shouldn't consider that there's room to grow. There's always room to grow, always room to get better, always room to improve. But someone's like, "Hey, you're like, are you any good?" Yeah, I'm good. I'm always trying to get better. But yes, yeah, I'm good. I know what I'm doing, and I'm ready to work. Carry that quiet confidence with you. Carry that confidence into any audition that you have. Don't walk in there like, "Oh my God, I need a job. I need this job." No, it's like, I'm here to do a job. I'm here to do a job, and I'm going to bring something to the table that no one else is going to bring. I got something unique that you should want. Now, if you don't want me, that's fine. Someone else will, because I bring a lot to the table. I know what I'm doing. I'm good at what I do. All right, actors, thank you for listening. I hope that helps some of you who have really been struggling with like how to present to the world as an actor when you don't really have anything to show for it. No, that's totally fine. You are an actor. Carry it with a quiet confidence. All right. Thank you, guys.